KTM SX 50 Factory Edition popular 2024 motorcycles. KTM, the Austrian trailblazer in off-road motorcycling, is set to elevate the off-road experience for young riders with the unveiling of the KTM SX 50 Factory Edition for the 2024 model year. This limited edition miniature motocross marvel is designed to provide aspiring young riders with a taste of factory-tuned performance, advanced features, and a visually striking design, setting a new standard in the youth off-road segment. At the heart of the KTM SX 50 Factory Edition lies a specially tuned 50 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, meticulously crafted to offer young riders a controlled and exhilarating introduction to the world of off-road biking. This factory-tuned power plant exemplifies KTM's commitment to delivering a high-performance experience for the next generation of motocross enthusiasts while maintaining accessibility and manageability for beginners. Design-wise, the KTM SX 50 Factory Edition showcases a distinctive and race-inspired styling that mirrors its larger motocross counterparts. Built on a lightweight and robust chassis with advanced suspension components, the motorcycle prioritizes stability, precise handling, and a visually captivating design. The SX 50 Factory Edition aims to be more than just a beginner's bike. It's a statement of style and performance for young riders who aspire to emulate their off-road heroes. The KTM SX 50 Factory Edition is tailored for young riders seeking an extra dose of performance and style in their off-road adventures. With factory-tuned components, race-inspired features, and cutting-edge technology, the SX 50 Factory Edition is designed to be a limited edition that stands out in the youth off-road market. This exclusive offering from KTM caters to young riders who want a taste of the factory racing experience from an early age. KTM's unwavering commitment to technological innovation is evident in the SX 50 Factory Edition. While scaled down for young riders, the motorcycle is expected to feature advanced components and factory-tuned suspension systems for an enhanced riding experience. The inclusion of age-appropriate safety features and rider aids aligns with KTM's reputation for producing bikes that prioritize both performance and rider well-being. Safety is paramount in youth off-road riding, and the KTM SX 50 Factory Edition is designed with this principle at its core. The motorcycle is expected to feature beginner-friendly braking systems, robust components, and safety enhancements to instill confidence in young riders as they explore the world of motocross. KTM's reputation for producing reliable and safe off-road bikes is anticipated to shine through in the SX 50 Factory Edition, providing peace of mind for parents and guardians. The announcement of the KTM SX 50 Factory Edition has generated excitement among young riders and their families, signaling KTM's commitment to offering an exclusive and high-performance option for the youth off-road segment. As families eagerly await the official release, the SX 50 Factory Edition promises to be more than just a starter bike. It's a limited edition showcase of KTM's dedication to providing a thrilling and stylish entry point into the world of motocross for the next generation.